freaking crying right now. Holy shit.
You crying shit?
I hate myself so much.
I hate you too, don't worry. We hate you too, don't worry. It's a mutual thing.
Oh, I love you, Tom.
Oh, we love Tom? Is that a thing now?
You know,
Tom,
if it makes it any better. No, that won't make it any better.
Tom, it's okay. Me and Anthony love you.
Yeah, we would
I
give you
don't
head
I don't
sex.
want your pity love.
It's not pity love. It's homie love.
How the fuck did Lucio fall off the map?
How about pity sex?
Fucking
Wait, what? Hey,
Lucy's a
what the fuck?
dipshit, bro.
I don't
Those
want
people
your
doing
pity
this
sex
bad.
either.
Shut up, virgin.
Okay.
Everyone wants pity sex. I do. I'm everyone.
Oh, God. I don't think he gets enough sex at home, so he probably wants it from you.
What the fuck?
Wait, at home. Well, those people at home are his
I'm
parents.
gonna
Wait a
go,
minute.
I'm gonna go
Hold
kill
up,
someone
hold
with a hammer. I'm gonna go kill someone with a hammer.
up.
Come here, bitches. Come here, boys. I'd like to kill someone with a hammer, please. Come here.
I'd like,
Where are
I'd
they?
for consent.
Holy
Hold on.
balls. Holy balls! Holy balls! That's a lot of people! Ah! Holy balls! Running away!
How'd that hammer and
Oh my god,
One
dude,
ball
I'm a
team.
tiny midget and I have low health.
I'm just a little man. I can't